ase yewura yemboafo yegyefo wa da hwen so na anape su wa maye akonya te sei se yehunu eda foforo te se ende kosia day 20th June yeshira wodin anape ye de ho hye wonsa bra ewiase na ye kai ejanom dwumadi a wodi edeboa ewiase emma ye bompa ye se wankasa be kasa kire na wa kire yen sani ayesi ye eja a eso wonyankopɔ woni hyiranka odin se waye ne sama ye o Jesus Christ di hu ani abompa ye amen anapei utie midiema 92.9 sani da ye no mpacho frefre wadofo frefre wabusuafo na kire won se ye kanya mi asem o midiema 92.9 na wontie ebia enamoso obeye nhira sani ya wunim no wiase na ende de ye de si ho aye kai ejanom Father's Day. It is a day that we honor fathers and we celebrate fatherhood and their influence in our society. Ejanom aye bibiri ye de mayen anape ibra wiase na kai de me pese me wishi me papa nanango happy Father's Day nanango ya wo bia nyame nhira o sana makonta papa oya konta sayeja Mr. Epi happy Father's Day Seal of Grace asofo ina ejanoma mo Seal of Grace na mintu mbodi makomako anyesa town beso mamu ina happy Father's Day sana gidifo eja mu ye gidifo ni ejanoma ina happy Father's Day. Fathers are wonderful blessing eja ye nhira onyankopon de kyen wo eja waja na oye wonhira and onyankopon de dwumadi bia man say eja when fathers neglect their role society suffers edwumadi nyankopon de amayen say yenye wasase suso eja no no say yanye ne ebu ye ne guso a oman etimu kro ayewo mu no okro na kasa bre ekro no bre oman ne bre and in fact enemre mu no the children around they are looking for fathers who will be an example. Ewiase isu nkola ni isu ye pe janoma wo ye hweso they are crying out everywhere because unfortunately some people are not playing the role of a father. Ebimo edwumadi yakopɔ de ama janom no they are not doing it. They are not taking leadership of their homes. They are not doing what they are expected to do, and they are not accepting the responsibilities that God has given them as fathers. So whereas you want a janum be a warrior dear no, you want janum be so 1 year dear. They do some rea. I see a son and some night improve. I believe say wherever we are, we can be better fathers. I believe say here today I will be a better father than I am today. Me to me, I a jar a son yakupwene. Because a jar here pa yakupanga san a ball a bushia family. I know the bema see ho say onye a jar father. And I pay you because of fatherhood and how we cannot become a better father. The God kind of a father, the God kind. Yes. Onyankopon ne eja onyankopon hwehwe. Nyankopon on oyeja ana wa kire yen. O kire yen se ye eja. Nti ye wo eja no bi wo ha wo ye won eja na wo ye no. Dwumadi Nyankopon de mo eja wo ye ne se Nyankopon pepepe. In fact, I mean, it is very difficult to raise a child. You will say na wanya ne senia openo because we are surrounded by so many evils and the social media akola betimi afa ne phone no ne number bi nema akola ne besua na dey no wa hwa 1 year untumi nchire no and there are bad aspects of it even though there are also good side no we are in a time yet it's kola edin but that is the time I say Janom you sorry kai say emre bi Noah na ewiase na say enipa nyina aye de boniefo but Noah kire kwan ye fa so ye eja ewo embra ate say mu Noah ni fie de wo gina ma Awurade na Awurade Nyankopon eso eje no ne edi kan be say hu say Onyankopon eye eja Nyankopon oye eja God is our model of a father. Ope eja bi asua no ope eja bi ahwe na onyankopon ye eja. He is a father. I say you sua no. It you can Hebrews chapter 12 verse 9. Or say furthermore we have had human fathers who corrected us and we paid them respect. Shall we not much more readily be in subjection to the Father of spirits and live? Biom yewo honam fam agyanom se asotwefo na ye fere won. Agopon se yewo honam fam agyewo. Wo papa wo no ye honam fam agya. Wo twe aso na ye fere won. Adenti na ye mfa ye ho hye ahonhom agya no ase. Inchene sa pi mum na ya tenase. Eti we ma yehu se onyankopon ya honhom ina agya. He is the father of spirits. Enti nyankopon ya agya. Osi esi ye ye ho hye na se. Esi ye submit to ono. Agya bi ode no hye nyankopon ase no. Say agya no ye a better father because onyankopon ya agya nti yesua bibi fi ne nchen. Yes. Satan so ye agya. Ba me bon pa ye say Satan enkoye wagya usua woni ama fa agya ho usua fa Satan ho. Okay, in John chapter 8 verse 44, boom says Satan, Jesus catch the Pharisee for say Satan ni moja. Ono na oya trofo ina eja. Enti say Satan ye waja, ebe daddy wo se na wusi ye waja no. But se Nyankopon ye waja so a it will reflect. Yes. And I pay me say reasons are Onyankopon man. Yes sir, asedi ati say ya, o si ye nye eja no. Yes. The reasons why God gave us as fathers to our families. Onyankopon appointed Abraham. I know yeah Abraham eja. In fact, Abraham in the Bible is one of the greatest fathers you can find. Abraham ye eja uja yenhwesopa. Onyankopon yi ni say onhwe na busua so. As a father no, we are chosen and we are given a responsibility to lead. It is a leadership role. The kind Genesis chapter 18 verse 19. Or say for I have chosen him. Na Nyankopon kasafa Abraham. I have chosen him so that he would direct his children. Tio Nyankopon chere sidi until yi Abraham said Jano. Abraham was not only a father to his family, he is a father of nations. And assuming I say Abraham yeja. Nyankopon say I have chosen him so that he would direct his children and his household after him to keep the way of the Lord by doing what is right and just, so that the Lord will bring about for Abraham what he has promised. Or see, na mehuno, na meyino say onhye na ma eni ne fiefo a ebedi na chiri say woni Ewurade kwan so enye tenene ne atentenene ade na Ewurade amade a waka na Abraham mo nabam. Ti Nyankopon say senti a oyi Abraham say eja no. Or say onhwe ne ma na onhye won say wobedi Ewurade achi na wobedi Ewurade na sem so. Ewurade kwan ade ma ono wobedi so na waye trenene ne atentenene ade. Enti Nyankopon o ma ye asede se agyanom asede ne se yebedi ebusua so na ye ma ebusua no waye trenene ebusua na ebusua no waye dia etene Nyankopon anim. Enti eba Abraham eba ne gidie ho in faith, in obedience, in generosity, in prayer, in all aspects, whether physical or material, spiritual. Abraham was a model, and we ought to imitate him as a father. As he is Shia Abraham said eja. Yes, when a father follows the God way of fatherhood, he leaves a blessing for his children. Say eja ye ni Nyankopon ahye na odi ekwan Nyankopon dia man say ye mfa so as eja no ma. Say eja no oja na se fo nhira. Nti wo kan Psalm 128 3-4 or na or kasafa eja no ho. Psalm 128 I don't know you say am tumi karo bi ntele meto mbokra. Psalm 128 3-4 na okasafa eja no ho ba okasafa eja o je ne Onyankopon pe ho ana okasafa ne yire ne nemma o se wo yire ye say bobe a eso. Your wife will be like a fruitful vine within your house. O yire say obobe a eso na wo fie e wo fie mpiem wo ma ye say ngudua a watete atwa wo pono ho ahia hwe said ya wo shira onipa a osuro Ewurade niye. Your wife will be like a fruitful vine within your house. Your children will be like an olive shoot around your table. Yes, This will be the blessing for the man who fears the Lord. Into obarima osuro Nyankopon, eja osuro Nyankopon no, ni fie sa na tie. O se ne yere no, ne yere te se obobe a eso. Ana ne maso ete se ngudua a watete etwa ne pon wahia. That is the blessing that God gives us as exemplary fathers. Okay, Proverbs chapter 14:26. Proverbs 14:26. Was whoever fears the Lord has a secure fortress, and for their children it will be a refuge. Eradi sromu ewo ahodaso a emu oden na ebeye dwankobia ama ne mba. Nti obarima osuro Nyankopon no, o se sa obarima no obenya ahodaso na obeye dwankobia ama ne mba. Nti Eradi beye dwankobia ama sa obarima ne ba. Nti your number one responsibility is to lead our family. Asade kese pe Eradi ama say ye be church ebusua fa Nyankopon na ye ma ebusua no wa ye ebusua wo suro Nyankopon. Yes, well, as I see so no, you can't great fathers. I ja why I can say greater. I am any part share 1 hour ye kings and him for 1 hour ye be na ye nim one popular one mamu ye share generous in penny for. But that is not the God standard. Eradi has a different view. God has a different view of greatness. Well, Radimu ye can be a great father. A jar or what jide were Radimu. A jar or ye faithful to the wife. Not or ye faithful to the children. Eja or ye sheswoman and kola when they a great father before God. So the way I reason say whether they are great or a casino are different from Onyankopon. Father's responsibility. Fathers must be a loving husband. Uye ja or responsibility ba kone say ubeye ja or do or mofra mame. Okay, Ephesians chapter 5. Ephesians 5:28-29. Ephesians 5:28-29 no. Or say Sarah nso na ese ekununum se wodo wo yenom se won ara woni pedua dia odo ono ara na yere no odo ne ho na obiara entane odo na ne ho nam na mum oye no yie na osom no se dia Kristo nso ye asafo no. Enti ese to be a good father no, you must first be a good husband. Ese wo ye ekunupa e ma wo yere. Yes, ene ubohuna ekunu eja de biara na obro maame ewo fenese nkwala nim de bia na ogu maame nanim ase ewo mbafra nanim de bia na pupo ewo fie de bi ekunupa enye sa ejapa enim when to address problems enye nkwala nanim ani yebeko na akoye nhweso bone ama nkwala no. Eti number 1 no. Number 2, as a father no, you are your child first teacher. Eje bia o ya oba ne chire ni a odi kan wo ya oba chire ni a edi kan wo awiase se eja no, you are your child's first teacher. It is say wo teach oba no life lessons, wo chire oba no abrabom nsem. Wo kan Proverbs chapter 22:6 or say train up a child in the way he should go, and when he is old he will not depart from it. Chire abofra ekwan a onfa so na se onyini a ori mfiri ho. Chirabofra ekwan a onfa so na onyini a orinfu nti we kire se wabofra no ye osuani eja no ye eja bia e kire ni wo ye kire ni a wudi kan a Onyankopon de wo mofra ma o na se wo kire wo kwan a wonfa so a onyini a wonfiri nti se obi wa wo na de bia wo ma wo na makwan bone so a wo na makwan a enye so a e kire se wan kire won kwampa e wo mofra bi mo enti na wontumi amfa kwampa no so no. Wo kire won kwampa Onyankopon anum asem ne se wori free ho. Yes, nti eye wasede enye teacher ni asede enye aban asede se obetri ni wo ba eye wo asede eya ne de bia ne de aban eni mani bebre o ha ibetimi ye will control over it, we have influence over it, and we can shape it the way we want. Anytime a child goes wayward, it means a father somewhere have refused to play the fatherly role. Yes, you need to teach your children life lessons. Teach them proper etiquette. Teach them honesty. Teach them how to be thankful. Teach them how to live as an example. Good morals. Chiraumano asetene mu nyema. Oyesa onyini obayan kwalapa. Nedi hobi no. Fathers need to exemplify good life. You need to be share oye krat. Bible no me say 2 Corinthians chapter 3 verse 2 to 3. 2 Corinthians 3 2 to 3. O me say ye no ye krata a watwere no ya akoma mu anipa nyina ehunu na wakenkan ohu ye krata nipa kenkan ye enti se Bible say agidifo ye krata ewiase kenkan ya na ndi ye betimi aka se wo agya no wo ye krata kese a wo ma kenkan o enti wo ma wo hwew da biara na wo kan o na wo sua o wo hwew na wo kan na wo sua o enti you must be a good example, you must exemplify a good life wo da biara nya wo ye no o ma hwe enti ehu behia ye pa se nya o ma kan ye firi ho no enye niema a emboa wasetene mu ne mum ebeye niema a eboa na ayehwe so pa mankola. As a father, you have to provide for your family. And then a gentleman were irresponsible. A gentleman be or one day and say, Wo basa basa, wo basa basa, one shankolano, one shankolano. There be excuses. Okay, 1 Timothy chapter 5, verse 8. Or see, but if anyone does not provide for his own, for your own is your family, whether within a nuclear family or extended family. If anyone does not provide for his own, and especially for those of his household, he has denied the faith and is worse than unbeliever. Na se obi enhwe ono ara ni fie ni nipa ni tete no ni fie fo a wa pa ogidie no na oye nipa bone se dia onyi ni tie wo yo gidi ni onhwe wo fie onhwe wo yere onhwe wo ma. Bible so say wo yesa wan hwe wo fie fo a wo gidie na wo ka say wo yo gidi no wa pa ogidi no na wo ye dibonye ni mposin ya onji ni ni a osom bosom no no hu of us wo chen because say wonhwe o ma onhwe wo yere ene ye wo agya no a wonye responsible wonhwe fie Jesus kai o Matthew chapter 7 verse 9 o say anase mumu nipa ben na owo ho na se ne babisa no pa no a obema na obo enipa bi agya bi a obabisa o pa no a Yankopon asem se wo ma no ebo na so we gyanim do ha ye wo gyanim a wonye agya pa enti wonhwe fie enti eka koya ye se wo ma bi se o pa no a wo ma wo ebo ba agya pa bi ene wo ye saade no. Yes, agya pa bi ene wo as a father no as I say unya time and I know be a research ewo in some miensa agya no ta ka pa kire wo ma three words that are most said to children by fathers when responding to their kids. And number one, I'm too tired. My brother do. Sometimes providing for your time, your children means spending time with them. Or say my brother do. Number two, we don't have enough money. Oh, sikeni ho. Obu a jebu a national anthem no. Sikeni ho, sikeni ho. And number three, keep quiet. Akwani bisa question. Akwani person osua ye no. Keep quiet. Researchers say niman ensam yensa we ana agya no ta ka tre wo mapa. My brother do. Sikeni ho ana yedin ye kom ka wanu tum. Yes. As a agya, you must have time for your children. You must provide for them. Yes. And a agya bi ho irresponsible. We are so responsible to the extent say obi timi ka say me papa anhwe me. Intimi so mitimi ho. My father didn't educate me. Me papa anhwe me. Intimi so anhwe me mba. Ma tibi agya pa ka che ne ba say o ne papa anhwe no. Intimi so anhwe me mba. Na agya sori de bia ensa, de bia ebro, de bia ensa, de bia ema agya aware ewon kwala obetene fie no. No didi girlfriends echi ema etwa ne ho hia. O so oniska enso onyesika e de mama. Sa ne mo unnim nyame na wo ye de a ame wo kawiase fon na wo a wo so yo gidi ni a wonim Nyankopon pa a wo so wa fa Nyankopon no ene ye ya na wo so ye bi ene wo chesi ma side chicks girlfriends eje bi wo ha so niska enso wiki bia wo twa loto 2 sure 3 sure wiki bia obenya sika twa na so ne ba so niska so nisika say you're responsible. And was said yes, you have a responsibility to protect your children and your family at all costs. O Yankopon as a father no or boy home by okay Deuteronomy chapter 1 verse 31. Deuteronomy chapter 1 verse 31. O Yankopon catch you there for no. Or see you saw how the Lord your God carried you as a father carries his son all the way you went until you reach this place. na muhu enso sania Awurade kɔ so ehwɛ mo ntoatoa so ɛwɔ ɛsrɛ no so sania agya ehwɛ ne ba tio o kyerɛ sɛ Awurade hwɛ Israel fo wɔ ɛsrɛ no so ba ɔde toto sania ewiase mu agya ehwɛ ne ba so sania agya ani kɔ ne ba ho no bɔ ne ho ba ho ɔsɛ sɛ mo hu sania Awurade ɛkɔ so hwɛ mo ntoatoa so wɔ ɛsrɛ no ho sania agya so ehwɛ ne ba no enti ɛsɛ sɛ agya bia wani kɔ ba ho hwɛ oba na wo bɔ oba ho ban wo hwɛ oba na wo bɔ oba ho ban physically spiritually akwa nyina mu enkola na ya na mo yɛ vulnerable at certain stage ɛyɛ bambo na mo bambo na wɔ yɛ nsɛm yes spiritually physically yes agya pa bia so discipline ba disciplining our children you will be ha on discipline ba on twini manim on kan onim okay Proverbs chapter 13 verse 24 me busam no tredu miensa 24 Proverbs o say dia okra na ba no otane ne ba na dia odono no otre no ntem so he who withholds his rod hates his son but he who loves him disciplines him diligently dia okra na ba no otane ba eto de bi ese o tenetene akwara no ese o kyerɛkyerɛ no eno no eboa makora no oyɛ panyipa but nia obi wo ha onim how to discipline a child ono a won tia ne ba emra no so say otia na watia na sei no say otia oba ama akora no wanko wayward okay Proverbs chapter 19 verse 18 tio Proverbs 19:18 or say chasten your son while there is hope and do not set your heart on his distraction. Eni da so hoyi tia oba na emma utrim se ubeku no tie ye okasa eni da so hoyi chese ye won time bi o ha akra na o sei ba on sei wi enti eni da so ho betimi atia akra no ani o mre bi o ha edu ha aginsem o ye no hwenye yi esi o se eni da so hoyi whilst there is hope chasten your son eni da so hoyi tia oba na emon wo trim se obeku no tie ni ye do not set in your heart his emon wo trim kwan mienu na obebo no wo trim se obeku no obi ha ne ba say ya ontia no se wo ba say na wantia na e te se wo ku no na no wo gya ne se won ko say mu ana obi wo so a otia ne ba na obro no te se enkwase abro ejani wo ha wo bro wo ba pa mobo no mercy te se ne obi anya an roba bo no very bad. Very bad. O tia oba, ma oba ni hunu se. O tia no odom. O de tretre no. Sa de mame fo bi edi. Mame fo kra mo se o wa kwa ne twede. Eje bia wo ne ba twede ama akwara na bon. Classroom obi ase me ba ne de onya de. Na unim se bebi a wo ne twede no, adwen no na odi sua de. O wo na shock, adwen no shock akom. Na fa ne trim. Ye wo je bi wo hard. Ke se ne punishment hina ye obo adwen mu edien wudi sem edien etimodin sem no akora sa wo ho ne ton wo ho on de wasum ne adwen ni mu ana obo na owie na wo mayina abon wa wo 5 obi abon ubi ase me mande omo nya de owura fi se enkola bremo do sa ebobo na adwen mu saa nti o se enida so no tia oba na emmon wo trim se obeku na embu ne tsani a obu na ku no dabi enye ne sa etu kan Proverbs 23:13-14 or say emfa atene enkame abofra na wo de abahwe na orinwu ntifa abahwe no hwe reasonably orinwu na wo de abahwe na eno ana wo beje ne kra afiri asamado enti enye bone se wo behwe wo ba na mum hwe no wonyansem hwe no wodom discipline in love not brutal and barbarous discipline there be enye sa discipline in love. Yes, and I make kind newspapers be na you were a slim warewale ho baby. Akola 8 years. Ne papa edi ja hye ne sase o twe na so adan a akola na ko wia 10 cedis. 10 cedis o na de ne ba no eja wa soja de ne ba no esa hye ma hye ne ba no. Ama me no ka say akola da hospital. Ase bia no or the hospital. We mu ina ase o mu ye eja. Eja bie no wa obeye sade na eja bia na dwenim da ho biara omura kora nsɛ no omura kora mpra no nti sua ye sua gidifo ayaba no ye nim se na esi ye na ye boy ya masumrofo tena oba no Bruno but Bruno odomu. Proverbs chapter 3 verse 12 to 13 nti na otu e manafo or say my son do not despise the Lord's discipline and do not resent his rebuke because the Lord discipline those he loves as a father the son he tio or chere say na Yankopon twe aso. Proverbs chapter 3 11 to 12 or say me ba empo Awurade ne nkyerɛkyerɛ na ema nanim ka emfro say Awurade ka wanim a or say ema ne emfro adentia or say na dia Awurade odono no oka nanim sedia eja eye ma oba odono no eja bi akorete ne ba eye odonti na akorete no umpesa akora ne be sei ne akora ne ye na etete o but ye no wodomu enye no ewo otan mu ana etirimodi mu Onyankopon kura no promises obe discipline Onyankopon ka kire friend say David say wo David wa maso waso mani isan say wo do me na oba Samuel oba Solomon meye no eja okay 2 Samuel chapter 7 14 to 15 ya or say I will be a father to him and he will be a son to me but when he does wrong I will discipline him in the usual ways and the pitfall and the obstacles of this mortal life but I will never remove my gracious love from him or say na meye no eja na ono nso ayemi oba na say ofuma atio ofuma mi de enipa aba Onyankopon ase no mi de enipa aba ni enipa ma impre ebetia no na madoye no eremfiri ne ho sedia e free sola mi tu no wanim no ho Onyankopon ase oba no hwe madoye no emfiri no so de biara da metia no mebro no ba mi de nipa ba sa no Onyankopon hwe ase ebeye Eli sofo ne mamienu Phinehas ne ma Hofni na Phinehas Eli antia wo Onyankopon twe na so oba tambia ne ba ya de bone a wontia no no Onyankopon be bisa wo Eli sofo na ne mani di nkwasasem e wa asori fie ho na wo bo adwaman na wo wia enema ye de ba asori fie no okay 1 Samuel chapter 2 27 na yen kan tenten of time record 1 Samuel 2 27 30 Onyankopon ka kire Eli se obetwe ne mana so eno Onyankopon blemu Eli se Eli eka ho na nkwala ne seye meanwhile okan na Eli edi kan abon nkwala no kokko but guess he didn't do enough 1 Samuel chapter 2 kan 27 na 30 no Onyankopon na komsheni be kasa kire Eli enko
na nyam nyimpa bi ba ila nchan na obese no den mbre Awurade sinye
sadi Awurade sie ni
ana enye mo ho na meda no ezime kire woje fie abra wo Egypt Pharaoh fie nkwaso mu no
me na meda me ho kire wo papa edi e wo bra wo nkwaso mu wo Egypt no
na ana enye emina mesen mu miyi no wo Israel bishoku nyina mu dem ombezi mo sofo
ana nipa bebre ne mia mesen mu na meyi wo papa se o meye me sofo
na onkoma aforguchi ho nkasho eduham
na on hye eduham omba afore ma me
na on hye efod wo manyim na ana enye emina meze Israel mba hon eja afarbozi nyina mema woje fie no
wo pa fie afare aye boy na tight afare boy me na me de hye mo sa se ma mo nya adwuma mo de ane se mo nya madwuma
oye denti na huntetia mukum afare na meziban afara ma hye wo me tena biodo
adenti na afi wo ma kwan na mo abusuan mo wo ne mo mba mu tietia afore a me hye se ye mo no mu tietia so mu bu manimtia
na izi womba nyi sinme
tio ti aso Yakobon kan no o se den
na izi womba nyi sinme
you esteem your children you honor them even more than me udi wo mani mpo cheme ontia o wo sanya me adwuma ontia o ene asofo bebre sa na tie yentia yamba yentia yerenom wo se ade ano anse wo se kosa Yakobon se udi wo ma eni cheme to aso
de humeze memman Israel ayeyeze nyina mu azetitiri nyan hom
enema yere beba afore no emu titire na mo de beba afore ma me na mo ne mo mama fa na mo ma ene na mo ma pe
deminti Elwazi Israel Yakobon no osiden ampa mese de wo fie na meje fie woje fie nnantu wo manyim da
me na me ka se woje fie o menantu wo manim da
na afizi Elwazi sede ampa me kra
afi Awurade se masesa madwe empare me
na hona wozi minyi no mezi honi
me Yakobon won adi minyi no medi woni
na hona wo bu mi animtia no mesha won anhora
na me wo hye me wo bu manimtia me mesha wa hora
hwe ndale ba mu betwa wa basa
me metwa wa basa
na woje fie abasa
woje fie abasa metwa
ama akwada bi anka wo ufie ho
ufie akwala bi anka adentia because one di mini one tia wo ba tio one tia wo ba nti akwala hye won sa make sure say anya say awrade betimi atwe waso because of say one correct wo ba especially yan asofo no yes until you can first Samuel 3:13 ya kind of here there yes Eli didn't do enough. He didn't do everything within his means to correct the bad behavior of his children, and he suffered. Onyankopon kumano e ma miri na okwa akomo wi. First Samuel 3:13.
Na ma kamacha no dem, no bo bubu ni fe atanda.
Onyankopon se maka kire wo se mi be bu fi atan akosi da.
Wo emumuya no ara ono ara nyim no nti.
Wo emumuya no nti.
Wo se na nemba twetwen mbusu ba hondo.
Aha.
Na wantwe hon echi.
Tio, o se every say wonim say wo mare twetwe musuo na wanka wanim. Wanka wanim wonim say wo mare twetwe wonim say oni awo ba ye ofiefo yire mu ye enye. So wanka nanim. Because his sons made themselves vile and he did not restrain them. Until we are so corrected, Oba. And yes, God will judge you for neglect of parental duties. Yes. I feel that you will be on a Jabia, and yes, I will share my before. Do not provoke your children. So, if you can Ephesians chapter 4, 6 verse 4. You will debut how was share my before. That a jet match of my first share a before. Or see, and you, Ephesians says 4, fathers, do not provoke your children to wrath, but bring them up in the training and admonition of the Lord.
Na hum ejano.
Na mo ejano.
Ma hum nyi hum ba ahomtew.
Mo nhye mo mabufuo, mo nhye mo mabufuo.
Na hum anya hwan Awurade siti enye kasachire.
Na mo montete won Awurade kasachire ne nyansachire mu. Ma ye waje bi ha da bia na o hye ne mabufuo. Ukan Colossians chapter 3:21 or say fathers, come on me Colossians 3:21. Provoke not your children to anger, lest they be discouraged.
Ejano.
Ma
hum anya hum ba hehe.
Ma mo nya mo ba hehe.
Ama hwan abaw ango.
Ama wo ma ango ye won papa bi wo ha da bia na wo hye wo mabufuo. How do you provoke your child? Me a question be say oh ya bofra na dey na papa ya na hye wo mabufuo. The same thing oh ya be hye wo mabufuo. Beatings and unnecessary discipline. Adikituwa bi no ama ne saso na obo ne ba. Adikituwa bi you are provoking the child unnecessary. You have to discipline only when it is necessary. Ye wajebu ha oguni benim asia onim disgracing their children. In fact, African put the air time. Akola bi ha wadi 20 years. Ejane hu ne say oyakola. Obegu nanim won ye fe ne sen ne mfafo anim. Okwa abrochi akola nya 16, 18 respect abrofo de ma won ma no. Respect pa. Ba nya Africa wa ware kura papa ohun say oyakola. Obetimi akasa wanim ewo one oyire ni obetimi akasa wanim ewo one unuanom anim. Onfa ho be awo. Into yes I was shocked na bufuo. Disgracing your child even in public. Yo ejane bi wo ha wo ma adwonso obadwonso keteso akora bi adwonso keteso nya akora na ahye do ebi mpo are ne ye fere say na de ode dwonso no urethral eya na bi a ye weak ne bladder enti yare but ejebi wo ha ode ohunu say ofin say akora na hye na odwonso obebu akora na sum obebu akora wi ana de ade na akora na dwonso ya na begina abonte egu akora na nim ase wo compound house obadwonso wo dem a isa say obe you be pay ya eduro bia makora no arababon paye no na wabegu akora nim ase ugule nim ase wi ana akora na da so odwonso na odwonso bisa ho say nya wo ye nyansa wo ma because say akora no senka ugule nim ase ya na ya obu na ya na ya but still da so odwonso so say still de bia ugule nim ase unti ejase unti bataya ase abadoye bia ni umu ekoso bi mi mampa enti say obadwonso na ugule nim ase nipam sa na o hye obabufuo bo se oba no ha o ho adwempa ni trim harsh punishment favoritism o madoso na wayi ba ko pe ono de o da wakoma so pa wayi ba ko pa no de bia bi o pe bia de ma no de aka ne de omo nya wo ma favoritism e hye kwala abufuo de bia akola no fort de bia fort o ya de pa o ma na ba so o ye mfom so ga kra bi pe na wagina so de bia humiliation abusive en sama yen kan kire nkola de bia wudu ba tem de wagimi wa ye say o sha kola na bufuo Bible say ma me hye nkola bu say e bebu abam mpacho eja wutie me say o pese o ye eja so nyakopo anu a e ye hye obabufuo because Colossians chapter 3 verse 21 say eja no mo hye mo mabufuo na wo mabamu ammu Praise the Lord. You have to teach your children the way of God. Who can Deuteronomy chapter 6. Deuteronomy chapter 6, verse 6 to 9. Or see, these commandments that I give you today are to be on your heart. Impress them on your children. Impress them on your children. Talk about them when you sit at home, when you walk along the road, when you lie down, when you get up. Tie them as symbols on your hands and bind them on your foreheads. Write them on the door frames of your houses and on your gate.
Now, in semi show in the day,
and some are made show in the day.
Uncle Akumado.
Manentro Akumaso.
Na fachacha womba ye.
Fire the
Fachacha womba ye.
A Jano Cassatro, or sit find some church womba ye. Or better a quahodwa, yet church yama.
Now to home come abra at Sufi.
Number 1. Casawa home to home come abra ufi.
Nye abra enam equanmu.
Una manam quanswa, umoteka mumunama, and then Casa and Fanami Samo.
Nye abra eleda.
Bra wood amubadana jono, can be chakran and senawada.
Nye abra elesol.
Mosorana pa, ma Yamasamon Quakurano so.
Na fire asenchirazi bo wabado.
Fire and century and church once.
Na onye when you are in temu in Kachichre.
Yes, Nanya when you went them in Kayabo tree. Naturally go fear Pumaso. It's Yakupo Chile, Quaya and Church, Bra mo beda, bra mo sorry, bra ye nanti. Oh, say yes, I do. I could have been obeyed. And call a betty to me na a GD4. Yes. You do obium as a father, you must be compassionate and forgiving. Okay, Psalm 103 verse 13. Or say, as a father pities his children, so the Lord pities those who fear him. Psalm 103 verse 13. Pacho, Psalm 103 verse 13.
Dembre eja ni yem sheshe no wo nemba hono.
Said ya eja yem sheshe no wo nemba hono.
Damara so na Ewurade ni yem sheshe no wo wana wosuo no ho.
Sa na eja so yem sheshe no. Entiti Ewurade kyerɛn bibi. Ba Ewurade no wan kan direct. Akobetuma ka say Onyankopɔn ni yem sheshe no ma wono so but Ewurade ni yem fa to ho. Wa fa wo a wo ye eja no. Ntimi sa ho say wo yem sheshe ma wo ma. Are you compassionate and are you forgiving? Eja bi ni mu tiri mo den. Eja bi mu ye wicked. Or they don't even recognize the suffering of your children and take action to help. And kwala bre, no na mo to train pra boni. Oma ebre, baby ama beda anya wasem. O na mo na panyine te se wo. Afi abra boni ensanom. You are not undwene oma ho. Some fathers are wicked, they don't care. Oni obi awo, enso nhwe akwala no. Akwala so obedi dio so obede o so obekọ school so obeye dio ene efa ne ho ne dia ne say oni obi koda ene wawo. If you are like that, you are disgracing fatherhood. Ma oyam hwehwe o ma o ma. Hwe say obaye akwala bond sen as a jano, never give up on your child. Memma enka say akwala bond semti wa po bada sa asem no wo ye jano aka bi asem no fa che ana ma po I've disowned you. Wonya me babium. Sa asem no e musu enka bi da. Okay, Luke chapter 15 verse 20 to 24. Now Jesus Christ as a parable or the prodigal son. Abofrana or G or Koneja ho. Now catch a neja say eja. I am a person kobo me bra. Na or G a japadia ene di nana or kobo brano. Afe anye ye eno ato obu no kaitamity. Anye ye no na ne ho chi no akwantu no. Na mpondia na de ma preko no onye bindi or kai say neja enko ampo wonte saatbi no ana osa call back. Bible next say, bra, so for kind Luke chapter 15, 20 to 24, 10.
Now, sorry.
But say, so be from,
Now, sorry, Barnage Chan.
Now, sorry, Barnage and Chan.
Other who are a teacher.
See, Bible say, about friend that's what a chili no.
Neja who,
and a nature which has a papano. There be a Bajaka, which I say, maybe your baby, a cranage in the name now, quack say no. But now it's a quite them a chichi of a pan who said, no, a cranobany meba. Ni ren fi ni bana or your bad safe no yeko
na ni yam hye no
ni yam hye no ma ne ba no
na otum mirika kabal no kwan
ana papa ni di mirika wan twa makra na mo o di mirika ko bare akra no ko
na ofio na no
ana ofefi akra na no
na oba no se no den
ana eja no ka kire no se
eja ma ye bone etia oso anyi wonyim
eba ne ka kire akra se eja ma ye bone etia wo enya won kwa ma ye bone etia nyankopon so
na me fata da wo fra me wo babio
afepo de me fata se obeka se me yoba
na neja no se no nkwa de
ana eja ne ka se
monyantam fa atalpa
monyantam fa ntade pa me hye no
na mo fa patian hye
mo ma ne patian hye ne sa
ni nsukotan hye ne
na mo hye ne paboa
na mo fa nantwiba wa do sraze
mo ku nantwi wa do sraze ma no
na yenzi
na yendi ye ho toye tio papa no ne oyeye chi this is a father who never give up say ye me ne wo a aka kra ne bana aha o be ye de bi wa ha waji akose no be ye de wo afi no okeka nsem ye me ne wo a aka say monya me ba biom but papa no ji akwala no he never gave up on him. I pray say you will be like that. Sana Yakupon Timaye. Bra Yakupon ye pono. Ni ye boy bra anyhow no. Anytime you Yakupon bibia or G. Yes. Inti never give up on your children. Never say I've disowned you. Oh ya kolabon into my power. Oh ya me baby you. Debi. Never say that. Never say that. The father of the prodigal son didn't reject him. He accepted him. Show unconditional love to your children. Unconditional love. Although the man or man, unconditional. And found, yes. Nidi hobi no. As a father, we are just. I say, "Oh, bompire ma." Okay, First Chronicles chapter 29, verse 18, 19. First Chronicles 29, 18. David bompire maneba, or bompire maneba. Ganga Solomon. Or see, and give my son Solomon a loyal heart to keep your commandment and your testimony and your statutes, to do all these things. And to build a temple for which I have made provision. Yakupon David bompire maneba. Or say, Mameba Solomon, mani akuma edimu na onsha omra nsem wa dance de na wa hyede na onye ni na onsi ahemfia mesiesie na ma ono. Mpacha ya bompire ma oba. O kan Job chapter 1 verse 5. Bible me say Job every day bia na Job bon e ma ho afore. Job say ebia na me mana wakwaye bone, ebia na wakoka musuo bi etia Yakupon. Enti de bia na obon e ma ho afore. Sana ejane ene obohu eja bi ommo mpa ye ma ne ba we jan pa bo ni na ma emame mo mame fo na wi ase na mu chini do mame fo mo ya de ye won pa bo ho ene ejanom mo mpa ye Yakopon eye Onyankopon a oye mo bruhunufo de bia meda na se seal of grace mema de mo ye different seal of grace ejanom de they pray oba mema pa bo mpa ye mama obeka se ye fence ema na mi hira mo ese se eja bia usua pa bo na bompa ye ma woma se na David e bompa ye ma mentwa na obakọ ha mu a okọ problem mu anse na wa ye se ye bompa ye bra unya wo ye kura hyase se wo bompa ye to ma woma unya wo ye kura hyase na bompa ye ma woma na wo ye sa no owu a oba no be ya kwalapa Onyankopon gasa e be so manim yes enti Yakupon kura po kan Lamentation chapter 2 verse 19 ya Onyankopon kura asem share se e ya nsora na do ne ye bompa ye ma yema. Lamentation chapter 2 verse 19. Or say, arise, cry out in the night, at the beginning of the watches. Pour out your heart like water before the face of the Lord. Lift your hands toward him for the life of your children, for the life of your young children, who faint from hunger at the head of every street.
Sorry kikamu wa anago.
Sorry kikamu anago.
Wa adasuna shase.
Odasumu fiti asiye.
We wa kumade insugu wa erazine nyim.
She wa kuma se nsuo egu ewe radi enim.
Ma wansado chano. No do wo mbofra kakrama no hwane nkwan
o mbofra ba kakran 120 no Onyankopon e ka osaya eba Israel for so ana o ka o say mo sore mo man kakrama nti mo sore mo mpaye
akwam nti ototo bi ti o abron biara tifi
yes pacho ya eja utumi sore na jobo mpaye ma ana o de o yeja o de bia ma bre ni bi de bia ma bre o mo mpaye oba no so bo mpaye so ye de ye oba pa bi wo ha o man o mo mpaye de ye bo mpaye u ye de u ye se ana o pa mpaye bo Debi bompa ye ma womba wati mpa bo tumi ye ma bibire ma mbofra ese se eja bia susua se obedi Onyankopon wa danse a kire niam a Onyankopon ayama abusua no Onyankopon ayama mo no so for kan tentem Psalm 78 5 to 8 Psalm 78 5 to 8 Psalm 78 verse 5 to 8 ese udi niam a ye nya wo nkwala no Onyankopon ayama ye no ese ye keka kire nkwala no na nkwala no to aso ka kire mo mba
na ono na oze adansesem etintim o Jacob mu
Onyankopon asem no say he has established testimony for Onyankopon the adansesem etintim e wo Jacob mu
na wa hyemra wo Israel mu
ana Onyankopon ahyemra wo Israel fie
za oze hye hen eja no
emra no de hye eja no ye papa no de hye wo
da wo ma hwan emba hunu
tie o se mom eja no moma ehunu sa mre ya ma hye
ama echimba enhu
na ma enchirima ema ye nya wo mo no omuhunu
mechira emba wo bo wo ho no
ema mo ba wo ho no nya munya wo se mo ba wo da kire mo muhunu
ho na wo bo so na wa ka kire ho mba
yes sa mo amunya wo mo so be so no mo so aka kire mo ma
ma wo ze hwan enyidado ato Yakopon do
ama wo de woni da so yina ato Yakopon so
na honre emfiri Nyankopon ndwuma no
na won wura mfiri Nyankopon ndwuma no
na mbom wezi ne mbra asam do
na wadi ne mra asem so yes thank you Jesus na wanye se won ajanom to aso
na wanye de hon ajanom
na wanye se won ajanom
mbe santen asoazenfo na
ema soodinfo na atuatefo
mbe santen a won fa hon akoma nsiza otendo
ema won fa akoma nsi ade etene so
na hon sunsun ntintim wo Nyankopon afomu
tio enti osi Nyankopon waye odemra na tintim o se ye eti ase yen kansa mi nkere yema na yema so nka nkere won ba na won ma so ka nkere won ba enti abusua no de Nyankopon ayama abusua no ehin na mo wa Nyankopon yi mo ese o kire me de bia meka memma meka acha me se me na no ye okot ye okot abusua ne de enimpo ana Nyankopon yi efiri okot mu ni efi se yesum Nyankopon sa na yesum India abosom akese eti ye asefo ne efiri okot mu ne eba di ye kase men ko ha ye ni me bi efiri ba eti meka kire memma na memma hunu ama memma ansa nko hyem ye be ma won se ye efiri abosonsun mu ne eba bia ye efiri ba na ho etan ho nye ana Nyankopon yi efiri ye eti ensa nko hobiom na wo ma so nka nkire wo ma sa na Nyankopon ehye yen e wo Psalm 78 eti eya wo ho na wo no mba di koma eya hwehwene ma Awurade ayama abusua no a etwem no na kika bi kire nkola no kika bi kire won